Hey guys, it's Abhay here. Welcome to Coders Project. So in this video, we're going to be dealing with the encapsulation concept. So what is encapsulation? What is the meaning of encapsulation? So it is to make sure that the sensitive data or your program is hidden from the users. To achieve this, you must declare the class variables and attributes as private, which cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. But if you want others to read or modify the values of a private member, you can provide the public get and set methods to access and modify them. I'll be showing it to you. But before I go into the example, I want you to know why do we use this encapsulation. So now, basically, encapsulation increases the security of data. That is a main point over here. Also, it is considered a good practice to declare your class attributes as private as often as you can. Like most of the times, it's better if you declare it as private and then access it later. Encapsulation ensures but better control of your data because you or others can change one part of the code without affecting the other part while making changes. So if you go wrong doing the one part of the code, the other part does not get affected by the process of encapsulation. So this is why you need to use encapsulation in most of your programs. So yeah, let's jump on to the examples. Yeah, so let us create a class over here. Let me name the class as number. Okay, and now let us specify the access specified to be private, and under this we're going to specify its attributes. So let me specify the integer x, and now let me take a access specifier to be public. Now we are going to be accessing the variable x. So for that we just have to type void, and then we are going to be using the set method, set and your variable name, and then open up the brackets and then type int and then s. We are going to be using the set method over here. The like you have to use a small letter s, and then in the next line we are going to be setting the value. So let me specify x to be yeah x to be yes. Now we're going to be using the get method or get function as you call it to be getting the number. So we just have to type int get variable name, and then open up and close the brackets, and then we have to type return 0. Wait, actually it's return x in this case. Okay, yeah, I think we are set with this part. Now let us print few stuff. Yep. Now let me specify the value of x to be 100 or something, and then I'll print it out. So int name, and then let us create an object. Class is number object one, and then now we're going to be typing object one dot set x, and in the brackets we're going to be setting the value. As I told, I'll be specifying it to be 100. Yeah. Now we're going to be printing this cout, and then my object, I've taken it as obj1, object one dot get x. Now return 0. Let's run this. So I'll explain this code in detail. Just let me run and show you the output. Yeah, so as you can see, the output is 100. So what we have done over here is that we have specified the class to be number, and then its attributes are private and integer x. We have set the access specified to be private, and its attributes are integer x. So now inside the public, we are going to be accessing the integer x using the set method, and then we are going to be changing the value or setting the value, or as you can say, modifying it using the get function or get method. So as you can see over here, we have used void and then set and then x. X is the variable name over here. So we are using the set and x and inside the bracket integer, ints. So the short form for set is s, which we are going to be using it inside the brackets, and then we are going to be assigning the value of x to be s, and then we are going to be taking the value using the get function and then be changing it over here. So inside main, we have created an object one, and now we can, yeah, what have we done over here is that we have set the value of 100 as I said, and then printing it out. So yeah, this is a pretty simple. Is there anything else which I need to explain? Let us see. Yeah, that is it. We have used the set and the get over here to access the attributes under the private. So this is a better way of practicing while you're doing some bigger projects or heavier projects. So when you make an error in a single part of the code, the other part does not get affected. So it's better to use the encapsulation process. Yeah, this is it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to be taking up inheritance, and in the other next, I'm going to be taking the polymorphism. So I'll be explaining those concepts. Yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions or any doubts, you can just place a comment and I'll clarify it. So yeah, do subscribe, like my videos. See you soon.